So one really fun and weird thing about latika is that she can survive on bread and egg for weeks, for days. If she is home alone, all she will ever make is omelette on bread. That's all she can do. Every time I try to cook small little things भइरहेको हुन्छ जसले गर्दा म डिमोटिभेट भइरहेको हुन्छु कुक गर्न कहिले जलिरहेको हुन्छ कहिले हिममा खसिरहेको हुन्छ कहिले आफै माथि खसिरहेको हुन्छ कहिले काहीँ चाहे जस्तो आउटकम आइरहेको हुन्न एन्ड द्याट्स रियली डिमोटिभेटिङ पार्ट अफ द कुकिङ सो मेरो 2025 को वान अफ द गोल्स पनि कुकिङ सिक्नु थियो द बेसिक लेभल अफ कुकिङ जसमा चाहिँ म पकाएर सर्भाइभ गर्न सक्छु एक्लै बस्यो भने सो a random thing agi bhakhari a random thing crossed my mind what if I learned to cook something that includes bread and egg in today's episode of Cook with Latika she will be making shakshuka I don't know what that means I saw it on Pinterest like weeks ago and त्यो कुरा मेरो randomly दिमागमा आयो and when I searched about it I got to know it was a breakfast dish but मैले लन्च गरिसकेँ so I'll have it as my snack let's quickly watch the recipe on YouTube. मैले YouTube खोलिसकेको छु अब YouTube मा चाहिँ त्यसको रेसिपी हेरेर we will cook it. So we need onions, we need garlic, a lot of tomatoes. Okay, salt, black pepper, garam masala. Of eggs gently poached in a simmering mixture of tempeh and add eggs slowly in the pan. Looks so appetizing. So I just realized that we don't have egg and bell pepper right now, so I'll be going out to get that. So let's get together. All time. Got eggs, bread, sandwich spread. I need to change ako paisale they gave me chocolate and one lollipop for Anubhav. Anubhav! La lollipop. Lollipop! Let's make saxophone. So on a special note, we don't have bell pepper today किनकि आज म बिग मार्ट गएको थिएँ ग्रोसरिजहरु किन्न and everything we don't have to make shakshuka अनि त्यहाँ कस्तो ओके खुम्चेको what do you say not खुम्चेको सुकेको क्याप्सिकमहरु थियो अनि बाहिरको तरकारी पसलहरु पनि दिउँसो एक्सट्रिमली गर्मीको बेला चाहिँ बन्द गरेको हुन्छ so we don't have that right now so we'll be making shakshuka without bell pepper / capsicum and I don't know what to expect from that because I've never had shakshuka before hey Alexi until January Guys, also plant please contact Blooming Express on TikTok. Blooming Express there. So this is Blooming Express ko TikTok account. You can contact. This is Nani's business. So Nani चाहिँ indoor plant बेच्नु हुन्छ. If you want to buy indoor plant, please kindly contact Blooming Express. Thank you. So we are done with the ingredients. Okay, let me show you. Pyaz, khursani, lasun, tomato, replacing bell pepper with bodi if that makes sense, अनि coriander. अलिकति प्याज यहाँ छ, अलिकति टमाटर यहाँ छ, अलिकति लसुन यहाँ छ, अलिकति bodi यहाँ छ. किनकि यहाँ अटेन अनि I wanted to make this look aesthetic. Okay, watch my heart. Adding pyaz and lasun. Okay. We need to cook pyaz, lasun and khursani जुन हामीले अघि सुरुमा हालेको थियौं until it's brown color को किनकि मज्जाले पाक्यो भने बल्ल मज्जाले blend पनि हुन्छ. Okay, now it looks perfect. Brown भइसकेको छ यो. Time to add tomatoes. So मैले अहिले चाहिँ यो ढाकेको छु. Lychee khalo guys. So I have a really funny story of lychee from my childhood. So when I was a kid, मेरो घरमा चाहिँ पहिला lychee को बोट थियो back in my hometown Gudaria. अनि त्यसपछि स्याटरडेको दिन अनि हलिडेजको दिन लिचीको सिजनमा चाहिँ मेरो घरतिरको साथीहरूले विथ हुम आई युज टु प्ले सानोमा दे वुड आस्क मी टु टेक लिची फ्रम माई होम एन्ड गिभ देम विच वाज क्वाइट इम्पोसिबल किनकि टिपीको लिची माई पेरेन्ट्स वुड नट गिभ मी टु गिभ इट टु माई फ्रेन्ड्स बरु मेरो पेरेन्ट्सले चाहिँ उहाँहरूको पेरेन्ट्सलाई दिनुहुन्थ्यो एज अ harvest gift or anything, but I was not allowed to take lychee for anyone else by myself. Actually, being a rebel, I called all my friends and त्यसपछि ल जामिन मलाई मेरो घरको लिची खुवाउँछु भनेर डन भनेर इभन though I was wearing चप्पल यत्रो ठुलो काँडा लाइक लिटरली यत्रो मोटो यत्रो ठुलो काँडा मेरो चप्पलबाट घोचेर मेरो खुट्टा माथिसम्म आएको kind of traumatic incident and no one was there in my ghar and I don't know how did I recover from that thing but I did somehow so yeah let's see what's going on here shall we oh we shall further in microwave अंडा हालेर त्यो चाहिँ म यो पटमा हालेर बनाउँछु so let's pour this thing in this pot The moment of truth. Let's see. The moment. कहाँ चाहिँ ह त्यो सुरुमा चाहिँ 2 minutes को टाइमर थियो त्यसपछि हेरेको पाकेन देन वी अगेन हामीले एड गर्यौँ 2.5 minutes फेरि हेर्यौँ पाकेन देन वी अगेन डिड एड 3 minutes so basically it's 3 2.5 and 2 4.5 5 6 7.5 so the real question is it going to cook in 7.5 minutes or am I getting cooked by putting it in the microwave it's your fun so are you excited to eat the meal I'm cooking today Shakshuka okay let's see 1 2 3 let's go Pakyo Sandwich भयो त्यो त rate it out of 10 9 9.9 नानीको 5 rate it out of 10 7